Andrea Jeremiah is an Indian actress, playback singer, and musician. Works predominantly in Tamil and Malayalam language films. She began her career as a playback singer and has subsequently appeared in films as supporting role to lead role. However, in this video, we are going to talk about Andrea Jeremiah's luxurious lifestyle, family, favorite things, boyfriend name, education, house, physical stats, net worth, unknown facts, biography, and everything. So please watch this video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell button for more updates. Andrea Jeremiah's biography. Born name Andrea Jeremiah. Nickname Andrea. Occupation playback singer, film actor, actresses, singer, composer. Years active 2007 to present. Ethnicity multiracial, Asian and white. She has Indian and British ancestry. Zodiac signs Capricorn. Date of birth December 21, 1985. Age 36 years old. Place of birth Arakkonam, Tamil Nadu, India. Nationality Indian. Religion Christianity. Education Sacred Heart Matriculation Higher Secondary School, Chennai. Women's Christian College, Chennai. Net worth $25 million. Andrea Jeremiah's professional debut. Acting Pachaikili Muthucharam, Tamil movie 2007. Singing Kannum Kannum Nokia, Anniyan, Tamil movie 2005. Andrea Jeremiah's family details. Father, not known, lawyer at Chennai High Court. Mother, Mary Jeremiah, housemaker. Sister, Nadia Jeremiah, younger sister, works as a research assistant in Belgium. Andrea Jeremiah's favorite things. Food, fish curry, puttu, rice layered with milk and coconut. Destination, London. Concert hall, Royal Albert Hall, London, England. Fruit juices, celery, cucumber, and green apple juice. Whey protein, blueberry with chia seeds shake. Papaya, dragon fruit, and pomegranate fruit bowl. Cantaloupe juice.
Andrea Jeremiah's physical stats. Body types, slim. Height, 5 feet 5 in or 165 centimeters. Weight, 53 kilogram or 117 pounds. Body measurements, 33, 26 and 34. Eye color, dark brown. Hair color, dark brown. Distinctive features, thick eyebrows, wide smile, heart-shaped face. Andrea Jeremiah's boyfriend name. Sundar Ramu. Sundar Ramu is an Indian film and stage actor who has also worked as a photographer. He made his first film appearance in the 2011 drama film Mayaka Mena. After winning critical acclaim for his performance, he has also gone on to feature in Aishwarya Dhanush's 3 in a pivotal role. Anirudh Ravichandar, also known mononymously as Anirudh, is an Indian music composer and singer who primarily works in Tamil cinema. He is the son of veteran actor Ravi Raghavendra. He has won 2 Filmfare Awards, 9 Siama Awards, 6 Edison Awards and 5 Vijay Awards. Andrea Jeremiah's unknown facts. She was born on the day of Christmas in 1985. Andrea was raised in Chennai where her father is a lawyer in the High Court. She was only 8 years old when she started to learn to play the piano, and by the age of 10, Andrea had already begun performing with a Jackson 5-style troupe that went by the moniker of Young Stars. In college, Andrea's interest in theater grew, and she would often take part in plays conducted by the Madras Players in FM. In spite of that, she did not have any intention of joining the film industry and had rejected several offers at that time. Initially, she had only wanted to be a singer and considers it as her sole career objective. At Women's Christian College, Andrea was the elected president of the Student Senate. Her younger sister Nadia had moved to Leuven, Belgium in the past. Growing up, Andrea wanted to be a psychiatrist. However, upon graduating from high school, she changed her mind. She considers prominent actor, director, writer, and producer Kamal Haasan as her mentor. Andrea has a bitch in Frise named Snow, which is short for Jon Snow. She loves the taste of chocolate. A few of her most heard songs are Zamluni, Katipale, Lovia, Kando Kando, and Aranyune. It was director and producer Gautam Menon's Pachekili Mathachuram, 2007, that marked Andrea's debut theatrical film appearance. She has huge admiration for the work of actress Parvathy and Kangana Ranaut. Andrea Jeremiah's house address. Andrea Jeremiah lives in a luxurious house which is located in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India. Andrea Jeremiah's social media. Facebook. 3.1 million followers plus. Twitter. 335.3k followers plus. Instagram. 2.6 million followers plus. YouTube. 79.2k subscribers plus.